I'm Phoebe Holdenson Kimura. I'm currently working as a GP in Sydney. Most of the time though, I'm looking after my son, Toby. I'd always been interested in science, but I started realising medicine is a good way to marry both science and the relational aspect of work. And once I started practicing as an intern resident, I started thinking that I wanted to look after the whole self of the patient. I knew that rural practice would be a lot more varied and more challenging for me. I trained in far north Queensland in the Atherton Tablelands for 2 years. Moving up to Queensland was a really good decision. The training was amazing. We're working with GPs who were just really interested in teaching us, and we definitely had a wonderful community in Mareeba. Some of the closest friends we've ever made in Mareeba. Advanced skills training is an opportunity for people within the GP program to pursue something that they're interested in. For a lot of people, it might be anaesthetics, obstetrics, it can also be mental health. I have a really strong interest in teaching and research as well, and yeah, there's an AST for that. So the teaching component, basically I was teaching year 4 and 6 students, JCU students at Mareeba Hospital, and that was really great. I had them every week. I had a lot of input and supervision from one of the senior doctors at Mareeba Hospital. My husband and I are going over to Cambodia in 6 weeks' time to work as GPs, but one of the main roles that we're doing is medical student education. I'm really grateful for the training that I've had in medical student education, and I hope to be able to do that well over there. For me, I think GP is interesting and enjoyable when I'm challenging myself and when I'm learning new things. It's really when you get into that Monday to Friday rut that you're just not really enjoying the medicine as much as you could. And so I think this AST is a really, really good opportunity to broaden your horizons, to try something new, to be supported in that. And yeah, just to start your career off as a GP as one where you are always challenging yourself and you're always learning new things. You can choose to do an AST in so many different areas. And it's a good opportunity while you're a registrar to have that support from your training organisation to pursue some interest. You might not have that opportunity later on.